Hello students, in the last episode we learned how to solve the pair of linear equations using substitution method. In this episode we shall learn how to solve the pair of linear equations using elimination method. In this method we basically equate the coefficients of one of the variables and get rid of one variable so that we can find out the value of other variable. Let us see how do we do that. We shall start with exercise 3.4, question number 1. Here, solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. Substitution you have already learnt, you may try on your own. Let us do it with elimination method. We have these two equations, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Look here, we have coefficient of x in the first equation as 1. If I take the coefficient of x as 2, then I can solve along with the second equation. Let me multiply this equation by 2. What do we get? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. And the other equation with us is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now, can you see the coefficients of x are same? I will be subtracting so that I will get rid of 2. Here, what is 2y plus 3y? It is 5y is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. So, value of y is 6 upon 5. Now, I can find out the value of x by taking first equation x plus y is equal to 5. Here x plus 6 upon 5 is equal to 5. That gives me x is equal to 5 minus 6 upon 5, that is 25 minus 6 upon 5, that is nothing but 19 upon 5. In this way we have got the value of y and x. This is the way we solve with the help of elimination method. Let us see the next part. We have 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Here let us judge first, we will make which coefficients to be equal. Here coefficients of y is simpler. If I multiply the second equation by 2, I will get 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Let me do that. So, our first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. And second equation, let me take 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. If I multiply by 2, I get 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. This is our second equation. Now, we can see the signs of y coefficients are opposite. Here, we will be adding these equations. We have 3x plus 4x as 7x is equal to 14, or x is equal to 14 upon 7, that is equal to 2. So, value of x is 2. Now, any equation I will pick up, I will take 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Here, if I substitute the value of x as 2 plus 4y is equal to 10, we get 4y is equal to 10 minus 6, that gives me 4y is equal to 4 or y is equal to 1. In this way value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. So, you observe students, we had the signs to be opposite here. So, we added these two equations. If we have same signs, then we subtract. Let us see the next part. We have 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. First we will write down in standard form. Here 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 and the next equation I can write as 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Just observe, if I multiply first equation by 3, I will get the coefficients of x to be equal. So, if I multiply first equation by 3, I get 9x, 3 5s are 15y is equal to, you have 3 4s are 12. Now, these two equations I will be, if we have same sign, what I said we have to do, subtract. So, same sign subtract. In subtraction all the signs will change. 9x minus 9x gets cancelled and I have minus 2y plus 15y, that gives me 13y is equal to minus 5, or y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. After getting the value of y, we will take any equation, that is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, and substitute the value of y. Here it is minus 5 upon 13 is equal to 4. That gives us 3x plus 25 by 13 is equal to 4. 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 upon 13. So, 3x is equal to 13 4s are 52 minus 25 by 13. So, x is equal to 52 minus 25 by 13, and this 3 comes down and we have x is equal to 26 upon 13 into 3. Here 13 2s are 26. So, x is equal to 2 upon 3 and y was minus 5 upon 13. So, have you understood, students? Let us do the next part. We have x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1, and x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. Here let us simplify these equations first. What do I get? 3 into x is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1. On simplifying, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. What about the second equation? We have 3x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. If I solve this, I will get 3x minus y is equal to 9. Just observe these two equations. The coefficients of x are equal. So, I will just, we have two equations here with 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equal to 9. Can you observe the signs of x variables are, coefficients of x variables are same. So, same sign we subtract and we will get 5y is equal to 15. So, y is equal to 15 upon 5, that gives me 3, and to obtain the value of x, I will take a equation here, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. If I substitute the value of y, that is 3, what do I get? 3x is equal to minus 6 minus 12. What is minus 6 and minus 12? It is minus 18. So, value of x is minus 6 and value of y we had got, that is 3. This way we need to show our answer after calculating. So, I hope you have understood the elimination method. So, students, let us see the next question here. Question number 2, it says form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by elimination method. First one, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction reduces to 1 and it becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Let us take the fraction as x upon y. Let the fraction be x upon y. If we add 1 to numerator, so according to the condition we are adding 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. We are subtracting 1 from denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. This becomes our first equation. Let us cross multiply. You will have x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. In standard form, if I express x minus y is equal to minus 2 becomes our first equation. Now, we have second condition, it becomes 1 upon 2. Fraction is becoming 1 upon 2. When is this becoming 1 upon 2? If we add 1 to denominator, that means numerator remains x, and if we add 1 to denominator, the fraction becomes 1 upon 2, right. So, let us cross multiply. What do I get? 2x is equal to y plus 1, or 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is our second equation. So, by elimination method, what do we observe here? The coefficients of y are already equal. So, we will subtract x minus y is equal to minus 2 is first equation, and 2x minus y is equal to 1 is second equation. You can observe the coefficients of y are same. So, same sign we subtract and y gets cancelled. What is x minus 2x? It is minus x, and here I get minus 3. Minus on both sides get cancelled and x is equal to 3. After I get the value of x, now pick up any equation, x minus y is equal to minus 2. If I put the value of x as 3, minus y is equal to minus 2, minus y is equal to minus 5, or y is equal to 5. So, we have obtained the values of x and y with the help of elimination method. Let us see the next part. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Let us take Noori here, and this is Sonu. How to frame the equation? 5 years ago, ago means it is before. So, let the Noori's age be x and Sonu's age be y. Condition is that Noori was thrice as old as. So, I can take this as 3 times y minus 5. Our first equation, let us solve this. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. On simplification, x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 10. So, it becomes x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. So, on simplifying, I get this equation. This becomes our first equation. Now, what is the second condition? Noori will be, after 10 years, Noori will be. So, x plus 10 is equal to, she will be twice as old. So, 2 times y plus 10. Let us simplify these equations. I will get x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. That gives me x minus 2y is equal to 10. 10 goes to other side, 20 minus 10 is 10. So, can you observe these two equations? What do you notice? The coefficients of x are equal. So, let me write down this equation here. Same sign, subtract. So, we will subtract here, the signs will change, x is cancelled, you have y is equal to, what is 10 plus 10? 20. So, we have got the age of Sonu, that is 20 years, and to find out the age of Noori, let me take an equation, x minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. So, x minus 60 is equal to minus 10, that gives me x is equal to minus 10 plus 60. So, it is 50 years. Age of Nuri is 50 years and Sonu is 20 years. I hope the steps are clear. Let us see the next question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So, let us take the digits as x and y. So, according to the condition, first condition is what? Sum of the digits. So, let the digits be x and y. So, x plus y is equal to 9. This becomes our first equation. Simple. Now, 9 times this number. Now, it is a 2-digit number. Let us write down the 2-digit number. We have, this is units place, this is tens place. So, if I take x in tens place and y in units place, obviously the number will look like 10x plus y. Is that clear? If we multiply ones place by 1, it is y into 1, and tens place by 10, so 10 into x plus 1 gives the 2-digit number. The condition is 9 times this number, 9 times this number. So, 10x plus y is equal to twice the number obtained, by reversing the order of the digits. Just observe this, we have reverse the order. Reverse the order means y will take the position of x and x will take the position of y. This is our original number and this is our reverse number. I hope the condition is clear. Now, let us simplify the second equation and then use elimination method. 9 into 10 is 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 2x. On rearranging, 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0. Just observe, same signs if we, same variables. What is 90 minus 2? It is 88x minus 11y is equal to 0. Can I simplify it further? Yes, 11 is common factor. So, I will get 8x minus y is equal to 0. So, our first equation was x plus y is equal to 9 and second one becomes 8x minus y is equal to 0. Very simple equations. I think you can see the coefficients of which variable are equal? Y, yes, good, opposite sign. So, we will add. If we add these equations, what do I get? X plus 8x gives me 9x is equal to 9. So, value of x is 1. If I take any equation, x plus y is equal to 9 and substitute the value, I get y is equal to 8. But what was my 2-digit number? It was 10x plus y. So, 10 into 1 plus 8, that gives me 18. So, my 2-digit number is 18. I hope you have understood this question. Now, let us go to the next part. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Now, let us take rupees 50 notes to be x in number and rupees 100 notes to be y in number. So, first condition will be total how many notes she is having? She has 25. This becomes our first equation. Now, second is 50 rupees notes we are taking x in number and 100 rupees notes are y in number, and what is the total amount? It is 2000. This equation I think I can simplify. 50 is common factor. So, it becomes x plus 2y is equal to 40. What I have done? I have divided by 50. So, my two equations are ready to be solved by elimination method. Let me write down x plus y is equal to 25. Can you observe? Coefficients of x are same and they have same sign. So, you remember the sign, same sign subtract. So, always remember same sign subtract, signs are going to change. So, x gets cancelled. Here you have y is equal to, what is 40 minus 25? It is 15. Y is 15. So, x plus y was 25. So, x plus 15 is equal to 25 gives me x is equal to 10. What is the answer I have arrived at? It is rupees 50 notes are how many? They are 10 in number, and rupees 100 notes are how many? They are 15 in number. Can I just cross tick? Are the total notes 25? Yes, 10 plus 15 is 25. Good. Let us do the next question now. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charges and the charge for each extra day. Very interesting question and you need to pay attention here. Let me take the fixed charge for first 3 days. So, let the fixed charge for 3 days be rupees x, fine, and additional charge for each day thereafter. That means, now let me frame an equation. She has kept the book for 7 days. So, I am taking this as the case of Sarita. For Sarita, what is the equation? Fixed charges plus, she has kept it for 7 days. 3 days she has already paid x rupees. So, how many days are remaining? 4. X plus 4y is equal to 27 becomes my first equation. Likewise, let us see for Susie. She has kept the book for 5 days. So, x plus what I should write? Yes, 2y is equal to 21. Are the equations clear? Yes. Now, we have same sign subtract, so signs will change. I get rid of x. So, I get 2y is equal to 6. What is y? It is 3. That means, per day she has to pay 3 rupees extra for the book as rent. Now, x plus 4y is equal to 27. In this, if I substitute the value of y, 3 4s are 12 is equal to 27. So, what are the fixed charges for 3 days? It is 15 rupees. 27 minus 12 is 15. So, the fixed charges are 15 rupees and the additional charges per day is rupees 3. I hope you have understood this, how we have framed the equation and solved it with the help of elimination method. So, students, I hope you have understood how to solve the pair of linear equations using elimination method. So, it is time now to take up the assignment. Here we have 3 questions for you. Question number 1, solve the following system of equations using elimination method. Equations are x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 10. The second question, the sum of a 2-digit number and the number formed by interchanging its digits is 110. If 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits in the first number. Find the first number. Question number 3, solve the following system of equation for x and y by using the method of elimination. 0.4x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.7 and 0.7x minus 0.2y is equal to 0.8. Please try these questions using elimination method. Wish you good luck. Thank you.